In this guide, we're going over if Shibuya Crossing is in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Now the answer, just to be quick, is yes. Forza Horizon 6 does have Shibuya Crossing in it. It's going to be in Tokyo City. If you just want to pause your game real quick and go to the world map, if you're in Tokyo City right now, what you can do is make your way over to where the food delivery is, and this is currently a limited time event. However, it's just a standard job in here as well. So technically this will always be here. It just might be a different color. Once you're here, if you just make your way down this road a little bit, you're going to see this little like intersection right here. Simply go ahead and either drive here or fast travel here. It doesn't necessarily matter. And as you can see, we are pretty much directly on this crossing right here. That's the full process, just like so. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.